Hi friends, welcome you all to Deep Matrix. In today's video, we are going to work with the DC motor. So first of all, we are going to drag and drop the required components. So in Simscape, you can find Sim electronics in actuators and drivers, rotational actuators. You can find a DC motor. I'm first going to drag into the untitled Simulink window. So it contains two parts, armature, which is the electrical part, and its a motor part, which is the mechanical part. So I'm going to connect it to the mechanical rotational reference. So I'm connecting the armature to the electrical resistance. So next we need a voltage source. For that electrical source, you can find a controlled DC source. Sorry, controlled voltage source. So I'm going to connect it to the motor. Another end is connected to the ground respectively. So I'm going to connect the motor to the motion sensor. So W is the velocity and A is the position value. So we are going to visualize using the scope. Before that, since this is a physical system, we have to connect it to the PS2 Simulink converter. On to scope. So at the same time, I'm creating a copy of another PS2 Simulink converter in order to connect it to the velocity angular displacement from there to scope. So I did it. So this is our setup. So here it is a controlled voltage source. So we have to give the input for that. So before that, I am going to connect it with Simulink to PS converter. So that's it. So my input is going to be a step signal. So step time 1. So at the time second 1, the voltage will be flow through the armature. So in order to visualize the current value, I'm search for the current sensor. Sorry, wait. Electrical sensor. My current sensor. So I'm connecting the current sensor in between the voltage source and the armature. So PS2 Simulink converter, that to scope. So the most important thing, we have to connect this C to the ground of the mechanical reference, and also we need to connect it to solver configuration. So this is our connection. Next I'm going to run this file. So I run this file. So wait for some time. So it runs successfully. Next we are going to visualize. So double tap on scope. You can see W is the velocity. So at the time second of 1, it runs up to the RPM of 1400 plus, and after certain point it became a constant value. So this is our velocity value. Next we go for the displacement. So this is the angular displacement of the DC motor, which is constantly increases over time. still goes on increasing as the time increases. Then we check for the current value. So at the time second of 1, the current value is at peak of 0.25. Then after the voltage value become constant, the current suddenly drops to zero value. So this is how a DC motor working can be assessed using different tools using MATLAB. So in next video, I'm going to explain about how to tune this DC motor using a PID controller. So do subscribe our channel. Until then, enjoy learning. Thank you.